Yan, nakabalik na tayo. Kanina kasi pinatulog ko si Hana. And then, pati ako nakatulog. So, ayan, hindi ko to naligpit kanina. Ngayon, ililigpit ko na siya. And nakapalit na rin ako ng damit. Yung sinuot ko kanina. Kasi, Sunday ngayon. Pag Sunday kasi, bumibisita kami kay Bianan. So, para ready na tayo. Mamaya pa naman kami aalis. Pero, yan. Ililigpit ko muna tong mga pinamili ko.
I know she don't give a damn about me,
but it's nothing to cry about.
everybody's living inside their own dream.
And nothing is talked about
For free, darling, everyone is scared of the price. And please, darling, I love you but I can't hear your voice. Too much wasted.
At saka yung ano guys, yung dugo, ano pa, matigas pa siya. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa fridge para bukas. I'm sure hindi na siya ganun katigas, kaya yan. Lagay ko lang siya sa ref. Sapinan natin ng tissue kasi mamaya mag-leak ba.
Rather do than escape and be free. Carry on, carry on. I know I can't change a thing about her.
and it's nothing to lie about.
Maybe love can't really set us all free.
Well, it's something to think about.
But breathe, darling, everything will turn out okay. And please, darling, I love you but I really can't stay. Too much wasted. Cruel love breaking. Are you living? There's nothing I would rather do than escape and be free. Bring it on, bring it on. Everybody is made.
So kanina pala, nag-uusap kami ni Mr. na about sa RV. Kasi guys, na-remember nyo yung nag-travel kami sa RV last time, like 2 years ago, and then hindi na namin siya nagamit, naka-stock na lang siya. So ngayon nag-decide kami na ibibenta siya. Yan, may tumingin yata kanina. Ito siya. Baby, this is open?
Yeah.
Oo, ito siya guys, naka for sale na siya. Ayan. So, akit tayo sa taas. Hindi namin ito nalinis. Hindi namin ito nalinis after namin gamitin. Ala. Nakakamiss naman to. Bago, pag amoy bago pa talaga siya. Ayan. Yung bathroom namin. Wala, may mga towel pa dito. Kunin ko na nga ito. Kasi may tumingin na bibilhin niya yata. Baby, this one need to scrub, huh? Ayan. Do we still have food in fridge?
No.
No.
No food in the fridge.
Good. Ayan. Bago pa talaga siya, guys. Bali, 3,000 mileage. Right?
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Ito pa yung mga gamit namin. Tatanggalin na namin. Oh. Nakakasad naman ito. Uy. Ayos namin ito.
See?
Yeah. There's a good...
Rice! We got rice! Some Filipino must live in here.
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Huh.
I still have
I
those.
think your husband bought you those.
Yeah. You need a big bag to come
Uh-oh.
to bring it on. With his family?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness.
That's why I was like,
What they say?
yeah, this interested. Look, I promise I'm gonna have the whole thing detailed. It'll be brand new.
Oo, hindi kasi namin to nalinis. Noong dumating kami kasi nag-busy na, tapos summer. Oh my gosh. Pag summer dito guys, pag nandito ako sa loob, parang nasa oven. Oo. Tanggalin ko na itong mga bedsheet namin. Dito ba? Yan. Little bit more.
Mom,
Look, you still have stuff in there.
what? Here?
Yeah, you check.
What's this?
There's the games.
Games?
Yeah, we're probably gonna... Can I have that?
Yeah.
We're probably just gonna leave this for the people.
Oh, I
Yeah, that's your crayons.
So we're gonna
Yeah. Ayan guys, dito na kami kay Bianan. Yung dalawa nag-sausaw sa tubig. Sobrang lamig ng tubig. What happened?
close.
There you go.
Sophie these are for her.
Lakas naman.
Lay right over get your surprise. Do you want me to bring it out now?
Oh, you're done?
There's a towel for your feet.
I took my jewelry, the Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, I remember those little candy
This
things.
one especially, isn't that one precious?
I'm so wet.
Good job, Mira.
Ooh, that looks
Good
nice.
job.
Dad,
The
Dad,
Easter cookie.
It only came with 8 cookies, but
Oh. She gonna eat it.
Sophie doesn't have a collar.
You ask Mira.
No, I
you
took
say
it off
you
to
tell
wash
Mira
it.
thank you.
thank you.
Now you can get one.
I like the carrot.
The
You like
carrot.
the carrot?
Is that corn? Oh, carrot. Yeah.
It does look like a corn.
She got the one you were
they're bunches.
Oh, okay, I
Ooh,
see.
nice.
That's cool, Mira. You did a good job.
Sophie.
Good?